In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your mailing list on Mautic. First, open your browser and go to your Mautic login page. Sign in with your account to access the dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Contacts area in the main navigation. This is where all your people live in Mautic, and it's also where you'll bring in new contacts from a file. Inside Contacts, find the small gear icon near the top of the list. That gear opens actions specific to contacts. Click it, then choose Import. This will take you to the import screen where you can upload your file. Now click the button to choose a file and select your CSV. Before you upload, a quick tip: the cleaner your CF, the smoother the import. Make sure it's saved as a standard CF, ideally UTF-8 encoded, with one contact per row and a clear header row, like email, first name, and last name. Remove extra blank columns, merge cells, and special characters that don't belong. If email is your unique identifier, ensure that column is present and properly formatted. Once you've selected your file, click Upload. Mautic will process the file and get it ready for mapping. On the next screen, you'll see optional settings to assign an owner and select a segment for the imported contacts. The owner is typically the user responsible for those contacts. Segments let you group the new contacts right away so you can target them in campaigns or emails without extra sorting later. If you already know where these contacts belong, set those options here. If not, you can leave them blank. Next, map each column from your CSV to the correct Mautic contact field. Mautic often detects common fields automatically, but review each one carefully. Map email to email, first name to first name, last name to last name, and align any custom columns with your custom fields. If a column isn't needed, set it to skip. Accurate mapping ensures your data lands in the right place and keeps your database clean. When everything looks good, choose how you want to run the import. Import in background is best for larger files or if you want to keep working while the import runs. Import in browser is fine for smaller lists and gives you immediate feedback on progress. Either way, Mautic will begin creating or updating contacts based on your mappings. And that's it. You've imported your mailing list into Mautic. If you run into issues, double-check your CSV formatting and field mappings, then try again. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.